Thank you for joining. My name's Nicholas Ware, and I'm going to show a proof of concept technology that we put together to show you some of the features of the Nillion network. So this is not a product that we're planning on releasing, but just merely a proof of concept to exercise the Nillion network and show some of the things that can be done. So in the NilMessenger, we have introduced a few new concepts into our stack. We have users, we have authentication, we have permissions. We're also using secrets in a little different way in the form of queues, and you'll see how that works shortly. This is a desktop application. We've done that by packaging a React website into Electron. And the React website also includes a WASM module that we built that is a full dealer node that connects directly to the testnet, and it's speaking our Nillion protocols back and forth, joining our network, just as our full server nodes do, or similar to how our nodes do. Okay, so let me show you a few of the features of a contact. We're storing arbitrary information. For example, username, email. The message queue ID is important. The Nillion user ID is very important. These are how we're able to apply the permissions and control the queues so that the right people are able to access and view it. We also have our own profile, which also has a little bit of arbitrary information, for example, the email address in there. But the secrets themselves are storing a list of contacts. It's storing the queue information so that we can communicate and apply those permissions, as I mentioned. And I'm going to go ahead and start a conversation with Charlie. So here I'm opening the queue. And I got a message from Charlie. It's ready for me to say something back. So I'm going to say, hey, Charlie, you read the Murderbot series yet? Good book series. So what's happening here is I'm writing to the secret that I have permission to write to, and that Charlie has permission to read from. And on his side of the NilMessenger, there's a polling operation happening to refresh and reread that secret and check to see if there's any updates on the secret itself. Hey, there we go. I got a refreshed message. He indeed is reading artificial condition. Awesome. All right. So here we've seen I wrote to the message queue that I have permission to write to, that Charlie has permission to read from. He's received it on his end through that polling mechanism of simply reading the secret that he knows because I have shared with him the queue ID. In fact, let me go back and show you that one more time. This message queue ID, that was an exchange that Charlie gave me out of band to inform me, and so that I can update the secret or update the the data structure that is the secret. I've updated that with this message queue ID so that my messages know where to read from. That's the queue or the secret that he's provided me permission with. So there you have it. We've got message queues, users, authentication. We have permission. We have this new way of using secrets in a desktop application format, and using the dealer node to go directly to the testnet, or using the JavaScript to go directly to the testnet without the need of any additional infrastructure. So that's it. I hope you had this was informative, and if you have questions, please write them below and we'll answer them as soon as we can.